Good morning, girls and boys.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Sit down, please. Who is on duty today?
I'm on duty today.
Who's absent?
I think I shall absent.
Okay. What day today is?
Today is the 16th of November.
What your home task?
Exercise 3, page 26.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Sit down, please. Thank you. Are you helpful around the house? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Who's reading?
How often do you make your bed? I always make it in the morning. How often do you tidy your room? I always tidy it at the weekend. Who does the shopping in your family? I never do the shopping, my parents do it. Do you ever make lunch or dinner at home? I sometimes make lunch when I'm at home alone. What do you do after dinners? I always clear the table, do the washing up and take out the rubbish. Do you help with the cleaning at home? I often clean the floor and do the vacuuming.
Okay, good, very good. Sit down, please. Next, so our new lessons: present continuous questions, present simple, and present continuous. The lessons objectives learning that is lesson contributes to. Present continuous to make questions. First, subjects to be and plus subject and plus verb. Verb. It's қосылады және plus ing. Етістікке жаңағы to be етістігі, сосын зат есім, сосын барып етістіктің соңында бірде ing жалғанады. Оны біз төменгі класстарда өткеніздер. Look at the blackboard. Present simple and present continuous. Signal words always, sometimes, often, usually, seldom, every day. And present continuous now, at the moment, today. Formula where one, he, she, it, and we plus es. Present continuous F is a verb and plus ing. Affirmative, he lives in Russia. We live in Russia. Okay, open your books and copy books, write down the today's and exercise number 2. Ask the words to make questions. Yani sұрақтарды орнына қою керек. Okay, what are we come here, blackboard? Are you finished?
Yes, I am.
Please read the sentence.
First, is the teacher sitting in a chair? Why are you learning English?
Okay. Sit down, please. Next. Ready? Quickly. Are you finished, Ready?
Yes, I am.
Read, please. Please read.
Are you parents working?
Are your parents working? Well done. Sit down, please. Gisper, come to the blackboard. The first sentence. Are you finished, Gisper? Read, please. Read.
What are your parents doing?
Doing. Okay. Well done. Sit down, please. You are giving workshop. Complete the sentence, present simple and the present continuous. Okay. Are you finished?
Yes.
What are those?
I'm watching Gravity Towers on TV. It's about famous people, host and patients.
Okay. Well done. Nurali?
I love that program. I usually watching it every week.
Okay. Good. To conclude our lesson, I will give you a cat. Present simple and the present continuous. Task, complete the task and read it one by one. You have 2 minutes. You can do that. Are you finished?
Yes, I am.
What are those?
First, I listen to music now.
Very good. Ready?
You watch TV at night.
Okay, well done. What do you learn today?
You learn about present continuous.
Do you like lesson today?
Yes, we do.
The lesson is our goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.